today's life, you get people that want you to they basically want you to invest in the company, and then you're not pushing a product. You understand? So it's either you push a product with that person, or you're a salesperson. That's the only way someone is going to invest in your company or on your online store. But as far as my concern, nowadays, I'm not interested in paying people for a course, because resources are free. You can get information from the internet. Once someone wants you to pay for information, man, it's a scam. If we're not building a project, or if we're not selling products, I'm not interested. And that's just my reality nowadays, because I can get information from YouTube, I can get information from Google. I don't need to pay for courses anymore. That's how I feel. That's my honest opinion. Unless I'm being sponsored by an institution, or they give me a bursary. That's the only time I'm actually going to attend university or participate again in formal education. But regarding investing, I will only invest in products. It's either we are selling a product, or we are investing in a project, and we are building a project. That's the only time, to be honest. And that's if you invest them. That's my honest opinions about investing.